Hi friends, welcome to Rasoi Eliza's kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to prepare Pesaha Appam with pal. For Pesaha Appam, I have taken, for measuring this cup, 2 cup of rice. Here I have soaked it for 6 to 8 hours. 3/4 cup of urad dal. Okay, and this also I have soaked for 6 to 8 hours. Okay, the measuring cups are these what I have used. Okay, so I have shown you urad dal soaked and rice soaked. Now I will grind rice and urad dal. In this jar, friends, first I will be adding urad dal to grind. So this I have taken urad dal. Now I will be adding this, and you have to use very less water. You need the water only to grind the urad dal in smooth paste. Okay, that much water you need. So it should not be a lot and it should not be too less. And friends, the consistency of this batter, rice and urad dal batter, should be similar to the dosha batter. So now I'll cover it and I'll grind this. So friends, our urad dal is done. See how smooth it is. We'll transfer this to another container or a vessel, and then I will grind a rice. Now to the same jar I will be adding the soaked rice. And I'll cover this and I'll grind. So friends, after grinding, the rice is also done. So I will be adding with urad dal. So our rice and urad dal batter is ready. Now to add in this, we need some coconut, cumin seed, garlic and shallot. So I will be making the coconut mixture Pesaha Appam batter. So in the same mixie jar, so I will be adding first 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, zira, 1 cup of coconut, freshly shredded coconut. So I will be adding that. Cumin, I will be adding 6 to 7 pieces of shallot and 2 pods of garlic. And now we'll add little water and grind, make a paste and add in that batter. So we need to grind it like this. I have done it, and now I'll mix the batter. Okay. Now we will be mixing this. Now I'll keep this aside for at least 25 to 30 minutes, not more than that. And then we will steam this. Friends, now we will steam the Pesaha Appam. For that I have kept the steamer. So I don't have the specific plate thing for steaming. So what I'll do, I use this idli stand. I'll just place it like this. Okay, and on the top of this I will keep this and cover. Okay, so this is a type of jugaad, you can see. Okay, so we will do like that. So let this water boil first. Meanwhile, we will first grease this bowl. You can use bowl, you can use plate, whatever is available with you. First I will be greasing this with oil. You can use brush also, but I am using hands. So you can use butter, ghee, anything to grease this. Our batter what we kept aside for half an hour. Now to this I will be adding salt. This appam is salty, so I will be adding 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it nicely. Okay, now I'll transfer this to the greased vessel. So our idli steamer is ready. I'll remove this. I'll keep this in medium flame. Then I place this vessel and I'll cover this. And it will take at least 20 to 25 minutes to cook nicely. In between you can open and just pierce a skewer and see if the skewer comes clean, in the sense this is cooked. So friends, I will open and show you. So can you see I just inserted knife and checked it's done. I will remove it and keep it aside. Guys, for the dip, for the pal, here I have taken 4 to 5 cardamoms, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, and I have taken a small piece of dry ginger, chook, okay, or saunt. Okay, now I'll dry roast. We'll make powder out of this. Okay, so first I will be dry roasting it. So friends, I am dry roasting it. Only 1 minute or 2 minutes max. So friends, this is 250 ml of jaggery water. Okay, so to this I will be first adding second coconut milk extract, 2 cups. So this is 1 cup. Just now I have switched off the gas. And now I will be adding the second cup also. This is a second cup. I just forgot to show you that to this second cup of milk, coconut milk extract, I have added 2 tablespoons of roasted rice flour. Okay, I just forgot to show you that. So I mix it well, everything. Now I'll switch on the gas and in medium to low flame, and then I'll cook this till this coconut milk is thick enough. Okay, we need the consistency of a sauce. When you are cooking this, with this you can add the cumin seed, cardamom and dry ginger roasted, and I have crushed like this. Now I will be adding that. Mix well. To add 1/4 teaspoon of salt to balance the sweetness. So this is thick enough. Now to this I will be adding coconut milk extract, and that is 1 cup of coconut milk. You just need to warm up. We are not boiling this, we'll just warm it for 1 minute and just will switch off the gas. That's all. So our dip is ready. Now I'll just switch off and our dip is ready to serve with Pesaha Appam.
After seeing this video, at any point if you liked my video, friends, do subscribe, like and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to comment below your suggestion regarding this video. And friends, please share my videos with your friends and family. This sharing actually motivates me upload more videos. So please, if you want to see my videos, do subscribe and share.